kind of do like a little quick video on kind of like a truck tour, just what I have going on with my truck. A few things done to it, and then because my truck is not finished at all, I'm gonna go over kind of like my goals, the future of this truck. So yeah, just a little bit on what we have going on now and where we plan to take it. Okay, so I'm gonna go front to back so I don't really forget anything important, but if you watch Gabe's video, you know that we spray painted these, sanded them for like 10 hours. Yeah, so they are black now. What else? Nothing really that special under the hood. She's fully bulletproof, not just the whole E-Jord Elite thing, but she is fully bulletproof. She's, ew, I think I just touched whatever that is. She's got bigger turbo. You guys already know about my new wheels and tires. So yeah, I'm not gonna go into much detail about those. But yeah, they're really nice. I did a straight trade for them. I have a 10-inch Pro Comp lift, newer style mirrors. I've got a passenger seat warmer.
Yes, sir.
I also have a tuner. Right now, we just kind of have it like this, but it's an SCT X4, and yeah.
Makes it go fast.
Go vroom vroom roll call. I have a dog bed and Gabe stuff that he said he was gonna take out, but hasn't yet.
I took most of it out.
I took most of it out that one day. I just kind of threw it on his lawn. It's like, take it inside. Oh, I'm so weak. Okay. That was aggressive. All right. I have 4 steps in here. I do not have steps on my truck. If you didn't notice, look at that stance. Damn, she thick. Anyways, I love my stacks. I will never, ever do an axle dump. I love stacks. You know, I used to think that I liked them like one here, one there, but now that I have 2 here, I think it looks a lot better. It looks a lot more put together. They're so dirty, as you can tell. Mud. Gabe's gonna take some pictures, and then we will talk about kind of what the goal is for this truck. Do your thing. Okay, so one of the things that will probably change are my grille and my bumpers, front and back. I do think that I will keep them black, but I kind of want to do kind of like a more off-road, custom-y type of look. Probably, I don't know, I think the grille looks okay, but I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about the grille. It doesn't look terrible, but I probably would get it painted better because obviously I can't high pressure wash anything. And kind of start the conversation of one of the bigger goals of this is going to end up pink. Maybe we'll do black and this pink. That's a lot of work. But yeah, maybe we will do that. And the reason why is because eventually this truck is going to be a breast cancer build. My grandma had breast cancer growing up, and not growing up, when I was growing up. And it was kind of just like a really big thing in my childhood. And, you know, she's had cancer twice. It was breast cancer. Both of them were primary cancers. And then she ended up getting colon cancer. And you never know how much time you have with somebody. So while she's here and she's thriving, why not say, hey, I built this for you. I am proud of you. One heck of a woman. I don't know. I think that'd be amazing because I also, last Thanksgiving, literally on Thanksgiving, I lost my grandpa to throat cancer complications. He ended up with pneumonia, all that stuff. But he was healthy. He was super healthy like a month before, and then boom. So, you know, do what you can. when you can, because you never know. You never know what's gonna happen to somebody. So, we will be getting new suspension. It's gonna be probably pink and black. Probably not all pink. I think that might look a little bit tacky. Probably gonna work with LP 24 valve or that's Logan Patterson. So I'm probably gonna be getting rid of these or just giving them away, selling them, who knows. These may stay or they may go. We haven't really decided much on that. Probably we'll decide when I get center caps, custom center caps. Yeah, maybe we'll do boggers. Maybe we'll do boggers, guys. Let me know. We'll ask Gabe for his professional opinion. Boggers or no?
I like boggers, but this truck is gonna be towing my truck all the way to Daytona. So do you really want to drive all the way down to Florida again while towing a truck on boggers? It would look badass. It would look crazy.
Well, I'm not building my truck to make it a tow truck. That is another thing.
I think we should do boggers. It depends on how tall we go on the lift. If we do the 12 or 14 inches,
Yeah,
it would look pretty
that is the goal. 12 or 14 inches is also something I will add. So this is a 10. So just not that much, but
They make 38s too, so you could keep the same size and go with a different style.
if I go bigger, I have to do 40s
42s.
or 42s. 40 or up. I don't know, the whole 3 number. I just don't like the number 3. So I'm weird. Anyways, stacks are staying. Maybe we'll get different ones, but never ever doing an axle dump again.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
You want to do a new tailgate?
Yeah.
My style with a super
I
at
don't
the
know.
bottom.
Maybe we do platinum.
That'd be kind of cool. We make it platinum, and then we make the platinum thing pink.
Oh.
That would be pretty sick.
Well, the thing is, would that look weird with my color? You guys let me know. Because I don't know if I want to keep this color. He wants me to keep the color. It's kind of like a tan silver. You can literally see how the light hits it differently, how it looks. Do you guys think that I can leave it how it is and just have pink accents? Or should I change it? I think this color is nice, but does it fit with what I'm doing
We'll
here?
make it fit.
We'll
I
make
love the
it
color
fit.
too much. I like
Also, we're taking off the Skull Vikings.
it. Oh yeah, I need to do that. I'll do it when I get home.
Yeah. Yeah. Truck came with that on. Literally never took it off.
I keep
So
forgetting.
yeah,
My fault.
yeah. That's your job. It's all your job. Not like it's my truck and I should be doing things to it or something. Also, if I kept this color or if I changed it, we will be keeping the black two-tone. So that will be staying. I don't know if that will change your opinion at all.
I think we should keep the color.
But
I love the color so much. I'll never stop talking about it. It's so nice.
oh, here's one thing I forgot to talk about. These are cheap. Cheaper. Yeah.
We're waiting for Alpha Rex to make a pair for her year. If they don't, then we have a few options.
If Alpha Rex sent me some halos for my year, I would rep that so hard.
Cross our fingers that they make them. Alpha Rex, if you're watching,
Send this to them.
hurry up, make them. We want them so bad.
I would love to be the first person to have those.
Yeah, that'd be crazy.
Yeah.
They've built such nice headlights. They would do something crazy.
Yeah. I believe in them. Therefore, maybe they'll believe in me.
You know, the fog lights are on their way.
Oh
I just ordered them.
yeah. So, orange.
Yeah. Very ugly. That
Um.
will be changing very soon.
Yeah.
It should be here sometime this week, but with everything going on, shipping delays
Yeah.
is a real thing.
LEDs on the way.
Yeah. Now these wouldn't be that bad if they were brighter. I feel like we could swap out this bulb. I just don't. These could be way better. I feel like there's got to be a company out there that makes way brighter ones. They look good for now.
Alpha Rex.
Alpha Rex.
You can do it.
If they
We
made 'em.
believe in
Come
you.
on, hurry up.
We believe in you.
But they'll definitely be changing at some point.
Yes.
Maybe like some pink on the inside to match your
Yeah,
your
maybe.
build.
Maybe.
No, I'm pretty sure it would have to happen.
I mean, we can't keep anything normal, as you guys know. So, yeah, both small and big things coming.
A lot of things coming. This year is going to be a big year for us.
Yes. That is the plan, at least. The whole thing going on is the whole thing going on isn't exactly ideal, but it's also okay because we're gonna figure it out. You know, the grind does not stop.
No grind stopping here. Every day we hustle.
That sounded like a
Every day we hustle.
no. Like when you answer the phone and you have the little catchphrase. Okay, so you know, we may do a lot more, we may do a lot less, but if you guys stay tuned, you will know, or at least be some of the first people to know what's going on and what we're doing. So,
thank you all for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.
this is my channel, not yours. Bye.